In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email account with Google Workspace in just 5 minutes. This process is designed to be straightforward and efficient, allowing you to get up and running quickly with a new business email account. So let's dive right in. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Workspace. It's important to be on the correct site to ensure you're accessing all the necessary features. Once you're there, you'll want to locate and click on the Admin Console. This is where all the administrative functions of Google Workspace can be managed. Next, you'll need to log in using your existing business email account. Ensure you have the correct credentials handy. This step is crucial as it allows you to make administrative changes. Upon successful login, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will see the Google Apps menu. Click on it to display a variety of Google service icons. In this drop-down, find and click on the admin icon. This will be the key to accessing user management features within Google Workspace. Now you should find yourself on the admin homepage. It's the central hub for all your administrative tasks. From the admin homepage, look out for the next step, which involves clicking on Add a User. This feature allows you to create new accounts for your team members, giving them their own unique email addresses within your organization's domain. As you click Add a User, you'll be directed to a form where you can fill out the necessary details for account creation. This will include entering information such as the first name, last name, and the desired email address for the new user. It's crucial to double check this information for accuracy. Once you've filled in all the required fields, go ahead and click on Add New User. This final action will create the new email account within your Google Workspace, and you'll receive confirmation that the process has been successful. And there you have it, your new email account within Google Workspace is ready to use. This step-by-step guide should serve as a useful tool for setting up accounts with ease. Remember, managing your business accounts effectively is key to staying organized and professional. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick guides on utilizing Google Workspace efficiently.